I'm welcoming you for this new session, and after a very long time we are back to the sessions, and we have an announcement that we'll upload videos continuously. So keep commenting in the comment section and what you want and which type of videos you want and which type of topics you need. So just make sure to subscribe our channel, School of Civil Engineering. So let's get into the topic. Today we are going to learn. Whenever we are learning something new, a new subject, we need to know that its disciplines, and we need to know that what is it and how we can learn and how we categorize the whole subject into the parts. So here we are presenting that civil engineering disciplines and how it is and what is the meant by civil engineering. Actually, in previous one we have discussed that the discipline of civil engineering deals with the various aspects of the planning, designing, construction, maintenance and the modification of physical structure and a naturally built environment, and which is, so basically when we are learning a new thing, we need to know that what is it and how we can learn and for what we are learning that. So when we know those things, we can learn very easily those subjects. Basically, civil engineering is categorized into the two environments. That is, first one is a natural environment and the second one is physical environment. And the overall subject is running on these two phenomena. The first one is natural environment and the second one is physical environment. When we are discussing about the natural environment, natural environment is basically, it deals with all the natural things which are happening in the which are happening around us, and the main concepts which are working around us, and the major things we are observing around us. So these are the main topics when we are talking about the natural environment or natural engineering. So on basis of that, we can categorize the natural engineering into the further two types, that is environmental engineering and the geotechnical engineering. The both terms are interrelated to each other because the both things are working on the natural things. Basically, those things are formed in the naturally and we are working on that. So the natural engineering is further categorized into the environmental engineering and then geotechnical engineering. So when coming to the point, when we are speaking and when we are talking about the environmental engineering, there is few topics that we can deal in our engineering is ecological engineering and sanitary engineering, municipal engineering and fire protection engineering and water resources engineering. All these five things are basic things in which are happening around us and which are happening in the environment. So while we are studying in a civil engineering, we deal all these topics and all these topics in the civil engineering. So we study those things in depth. We do when we are in school days and when we are in the plus 2 standard, we just know the basics of these things. But coming to the civil engineering, we'll go in depth and how ecological engineering is around us and how it deals with the present civil engineering, like planning and constructions of you can observe the world around us, and there is a lots of buildings around us, how these things are managed in that. So we can learn in depth. And coming to the geotechnical engineering, there is the further there is in particularly geotechnical engineering, we may deal with mining engineering, hydraulic engineering and the foundation engineering. These three are the main backbone of geotechnical engineering. When we are going to learn about the geotechnical engineering in depth, we learn about the mining, hydraulic and the foundation, and these three things involved in the geotechnical engineering. This is the part of the natural engineering. So while we are studying in the natural engineering, it is further classified as environmental and the geotechnical. In the environment, we will study all of the all the things like which are happening around us. Like for example, it is an ecological or sanitary, municipal or whatever it is. So we are studying around us. So that is the key point of the note. That is the first key point. And the second one is the geotechnical. Geo means nothing but the earth. So we are having a technical relation with the earth and we are working together, so we'll get some more. So these are the just basics and how it is works, basically how we work with the civil engineering. And coming to the second one is the, as we discussed, that the natural and the physical. So when we discussed about the second one is the physical engineering. So physical means which we do, and we do physically, and we do by putting our strengths, and of course in the natural engineering also we do a lot of efforts to in order to do all those things. But coming to the physical engineering, we design some new concepts. So that in fact we in the physical engineering we learn about the structural engineering and the transportation engineering. In the structural engineering, and it's completed about the structures. For example, structures like all of you people know that the structures are like the buildings, and a lot of structures, iron structures are there, and the cities are building so much like that. So all those are the structures, and in particular in the structural engineering we do the architectural engineering. We learn more things in the Arctic, and the wind, earthquake, and ocean, and the bridge engineering. These 5 concepts will lead to the structural engineering. And then transportation engineering. Basically we know that the transportation means nothing but the traffic, highway, and the railroad. So these three things are coming under the transportation engineering. Just go with the details and just check it out, and just classify the subjects as well according to the natural and according to the physical. Just classify the overall syllabus and just go with the study, and it will help you to prepare for your GATE examinations or any competitive examinations which we are working under the core. When we are preparing a core subject in for a particular competitive exam, it will help you a lot, because we are categorizing the whole subjects, all civil engineering subjects into the 2 parts basically. So when we are working on that, it will help you to get good score, and it will help you to revise, and it will help you to remember easily. So this is our main motive as well. So just check it our channel, and just go with the videos, and comment. Main thing is which type of topics you need. Just comment in the section, and we'll get the videos. And until the happy learning, don't forget to subscribe.